was to what extent when he actually was, coming up with techno and being a futurist himself prior to that, when he heard these sounds, did it remind him of outer space, right?
It was, if you could imagine what space would sound like, that's what I thought you could create with this.
I was just about to ask you if you visited outer space, because you said...
Well, the thing that's interesting about this picture actually is 100 years ago, Albert Einstein came up with a theory that finally, after 2,500 years of humanity searching to understand the nature of gravity, what gravity really is, Einstein actually finally discovered that gravity is space, right? So the gravitational field itself, right, is actually a manifestation of the warping of space. Now that was a crazy idea at the time, but it had two predictions. And it's very important to take note of this. The theory had two solutions, mathematical solution. One was called a black hole, right? And again, for the longest time, people thought it was just a theoretical construct, it was just an idea, what have you, right? And the other one is something called gravitational waves. And this is where this is going to connect to your imagination. Both things, Albert Einstein so did not believe in the prediction of this theory, right? Even if everything else it predicted was correct, he thought that we would never find it. 100 years later, the picture we're looking at here actually are two black holes at the center of our galaxy. And what they're doing, they're binary, and they in-spiral into each other. And as they're doing that, they swirl up the space-time fabric and create a ripple, actually, and we can detect it on Earth, which was detected last year in September, and it rings in the note of B flat, actually, in the audible range. All right, and so that's the ripple of space. So your sound actually did come, and it was discovered. A Nobel Prize will be going out probably next year for this discovery. So that just connects up very nicely. Beautiful picture, huh?